America has over 730 military installations and bases in over 50 countries. It also has military personnel on active duty in dozens of other countries. What does America need to have bases all over the world if America is a peacemaker? Talk to me. All these places marked in red is where she has bases. Canada, Greenland. See here, this is Colombia, Quito, in the capital of Peru. All of these countries, he has bases. We just put a base in Colombia because it's right next door to Venezuela, and they want to be able to attack Venezuela. But look here, you missed it because this is an old map, but right here, Haiti, there's a base now in Haiti. They have discovered oil in Haiti that's more than the oil in Venezuela. So 20,000 U.S. troops are now in Haiti, and they're not there to rebuild Haiti. Open your eyes, black man and woman. You will never be able to say that Ferrakhan didn't tell you the truth. I'm wiping your blood from my hands today. And if I never speak to you again, I've said what needs to be said.